Hi honeys, it's Michelle. In today's video, I am going to do my July Stitch Fix unboxing. Here's what the bundle on the inside of the box looks like. So it looks like we've got some purple floral looking design here, some red floral, black floral, looks like navy, and then something made out of jeans. So hopefully that's shorts or a skirt because it's a little too hot for full-length jeans right now. Well, this is cute, isn't it? It says 9 Britton Levie knot front knit top. Knot? Oh, it's got the little knot down on the bottom, which I'm a huge fan of, and I have no shirts that do that, so. But it's a nice lightweight fabric too, and I really like this pattern. Oh, that's the back. Okay, and then we have this, which I also really like the cross pattern on there. Looks like it's a little bit, oh, that's the back of it. Okay, sorry. So it's kind of a box cut on the front, and then it has a crisscross on the back. And I can see it's a Papermoon top. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Let's see, I like telling you guys this. This first top is 97% rayon, 3% spandex, made in China, and you can just wash it and hang it to dry. And then this top, (95% polyester, 5% spandex, made in the USA, machine wash cold. Okay. And these are both 1X's, by the way. Then we have this. Oh, a dress. It's cute. It's got lining in it, so it feels a little bit thick, like maybe it'd be a little hot for me, but we'll see. This is West Key brand. It's the Wesley knit dress in a 1X. This one is 95% polyester, 5% spandex, and the lining is polyester, and this is made in the USA. Then we have this top here. It's got this detail. I know some people call this lace. I don't know if it's what you would call that, but, or crochet. It doesn't really look like crochet to me, but I've heard it referred to both ways. Looks like you can kind of see through this. It's navy. It's got little polka dots on it, and it's a V-neck in the front. And then look at the back. Isn't that pretty? It's like a scalloped look, and then it's scalloped along the top of the arms too, along the shoulders. And then it's got a little button here. This is 41 Hawthorne and a 1X. It's the Gina scalloped sleeve blouse. Super pretty. This is 100% polyester, and it's made in China. And you can wash this in your washing machine and then hang it dry. I wonder though, if, with this being 100% polyester, this looks like the kind of polyester that's not going to really wrinkle too, which I really prefer. And then this last item is STS Blue Aubrey short. It's a mid-rise, a size 16. Okay, so it's shorts. Oh, good. With a distressed bottom, or frayed bottom, I guess you would call it. But these shorts are right up my alley. This is the kind of short I like, so I hope, hopefully they fit okay. And these are 98% cotton, 2% spandex. Obviously, they're machine washable. They better be. And these are made in China. And so, yes, these do have a little bit of a stretch to them as well. Okay, I have the first outfit on. And I don't know And I don't know the prices, by the way. I'll put them on the screen so that you can see them. I kind of prefer to not look at the prices until the end because it kind of changes my view of things. I'm sorry, your girl's on a budget, so. Okay. So what do you think of these shorts? They're very comfortable. They feel perfect to me, actually. And I like this top. I don't have to tuck it in because it's got the little knot right here. So I think these are kind of made for curves. And it sits at a nice spot. My belly button's here and it's right here. So it's just below my belly button. Here is the second top. I think this is super cute, actually. Really like it. What do you think? Here's the last top. Try to figure out how you can, there you go. So this top, it's so cute. But I don't think I'm going to be able to keep this one. It's tight right here. It's tight in the bust. And it feels tight in the hip area. I don't know. I don't know if I like this cut on me as much. It's so cute until I put it on. It's like loose here where I want it to be tight. And then it's tight down here where I want it to be a little looser. And then it's too tight right here. I just feel too restrained. Which is too bad because it's so cute. This would be a really cute top though on somebody who maybe didn't have shoulders as broad as mine, and maybe if you have like a chest that's a little bit smaller and hips that are smaller, I think that this would be a really nice top, and I think it'd be really cute to wear to work. And since I work at home, I have nowhere to even wear it. What do we think of this dress? It's got pockets, which is really nice, and it's stretchy, which is nice. I like this band right here. My only issue with it really is I don't know if I'm a fan of the lining in it. Let me pull it up so I can show you. It's got this thick polyester lining. It's making me feel really hot. And I live in Vegas where it's really hot. So let me know what you think, because I really want your opinion. I'd love to know what you think of this box, what would you keep if you were me? I really like the shorts, and I really like the first two tops. The floral red one and the floral kind of grayish purple one. Love these first three items. Like I said, this dress feels too hot, and then the other shirt just didn't fit right. Okay, so let's get into the nitty gritty of this box. So the way it works, you sign up for Stitch Fix. You get to pick how often you get a box. You can get them every 2 weeks, every month, once every 3 months. So they're very flexible with that. And they have men's boxes. My husband gets one every 3 months. They have children's boxes, and then they have women's, and they do plus sizes as well, as you can see. And they send this bag in the box so that you can put whatever you decide that you don't want to keep back in there. The one downside, and I'm just going to keep kicking my feet on this until they change it, they only give you 3 days from the time the package is delivered to send it back and to decide what you want to keep. For me, that's not enough time. I live in an apartment. My apartment complex doesn't accept packages anymore. I ship them to my P.O. box. Well, this particular place, if something arrives on Wednesday, I can't get it until Thursday afternoon. It takes that long to process for them. Fine, I get it. But that means I have 1 day to get it home, try it on, decide what I want, film the video, which that's obviously when I'm trying it on, and then the next day rush it back. And my life isn't always quite that flexible. Not even for me. You get this card with each box, and it shows each item you get and what they recommend you style it with. I'll go ahead and read you the letter from my stylist. It says, "Hi Michelle, happy 15th fix day." 15 fixes. Whew. I'm thrilled to be styling you again for this fix, and I absolutely loved watching your unboxing video. Thank you. What a treat for me. It was so fun to see the pieces on you, and they looked fabulous. I noticed your price point and made sure to keep each item around or under $50 for you today. Thank you. First up today is the West Key knit dress. This is such a fun date night piece, and I felt the print matches your fun personality. It is especially great for the hot weather in Vegas. It's a little too warm though. For a cute and casual everyday look, wear the STS blue shorts with the on-trend 9 Britton knot front knit top and the pretty floral print. These shorts would also look great for a backyard barbecue with the Papermoon Lattice back knit top. Keep sharing your awesome feedback and videos. I love to see it. Stylishly yours, Amber. So Amber was the lady that did my last box. I used to have somebody different. I'm not sure if she's still with Stitch Fix, but it kind of started to feel like maybe we just weren't seeing eye to eye on some things. And so when they started giving me my new stylist, you know, nothing against the old one, but I think this new lady, Amber, is probably a better fit for me because she's, when she sends me a box, I love everything in it. So I prefer that. Thank you, Amber. So if I were to keep everything in this box, it would be $233. There's a 25% discount if I kept everything in the box, which is $58.25, which would bring the total down to $174.75. Then there's a $20 styling fee that is deducted and a $5 credit or promo. I'm not sure what the $5 is, but that would bring everything down to $149.75 if I kept the whole box. So I told you the 3 items I'm thinking about keeping. I really like this dress, but it really does feel too hot with the lining in it. I'm finding that if things don't have lining, if they're just polyester or they're cotton, I'm really comfortable, especially polyester. I really like polyester dresses right now. They just feel really breathable, but the lining is too much. I mean, yesterday it was 115 degrees out, and today I think it's going to be like 106 or something, but it's just too hot for that. And unfortunately, by the time it starts cooling down, something like this seems like it would be out of season. So as much as I like the dress, I don't know that I want to keep it. I will put my referral code down in the description box. And if you would like to go ahead and give Stitch Fix a try, I would love it if you would use my referral code. If you use that, you and I both get a discount. I think I get credited $20 or $25, and you get credited $20 or $25 to your account as well. So that would mean a lot to me if you could help me out, and then I could keep a little more clothes. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great rest of your day. I love you. Bye.